Open, close, open, close. What are TMDs? Clicking of the joint, popping of the joint, pain in your jaw muscles, pain in your neck region, headaches, ringing in the ears. There are many more symptoms like this where you can feel pain in your facial region. What is the TMJ? So this is your TMJ joint here, where the jawbone is connected to the skull with the help of the muscles which help you in chewing your food and opening and closing your mouth. I am Dr. Faisal Zardi, a senior TMJ consultant at FMS Dental Hospitals, where we have been successfully treating a lot of patients who suffer from TMD disorders or TMJ disorders with the help of our expertise and modern advanced techniques.